Avoid. To stay away from something or someone. To stay away from something or someone. I try to avoid using my phone while I am studying. I try to avoid using my phone while I am studying. Improve. To make something better. To make something better. She wants to improve her English before traveling abroad. She wants to improve her English before traveling abroad. Notice. To see or realize something. To see or realize something. I noticed that he was unusually quiet today. I noticed that he was unusually quiet today. Require. To need something because it is necessary. To need something because it is necessary. This job requires good communication skills. This job requires good communication skills. Suggest. To give an idea or recommendation. To give an idea or recommendation.
Achieve. To successfully reach a goal. To successfully reach a goal. She worked hard to achieve her dream. She worked hard to achieve her dream. Discover. To find something or learn something for the first time. To find something or learn something for the first time. He discovered a beautiful place near the city. He discovered a beautiful place near the city. Handle. To deal with a situation, problem, or person. To deal with a situation, problem, or person. She knows how to handle difficult customers. She knows how to handle difficult customers. Escape. To get away from a dangerous or unpleasant situation. To get away from a dangerous or unpleasant situation. The boy escaped from the burning building. The boy escaped from the burning building. Gather. To collect things or bring people together. To collect things or bring people together. We gathered around the table for dinner. We gathered around the table for dinner. Hesitate. To pause because you are unsure what to do. To pause because you are unsure what to do. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Ignore. To deliberately pay no attention to someone or something. To deliberately pay no attention to someone or something. He ignored the warning and continued walking. He ignored the warning and continued walking. Maintain. To keep something in good condition or at the same level. To keep something in good condition or at the same level. You should maintain your car regularly. You should maintain your car regularly. Replace. To take the place of something or someone. To take the place of something or someone. I need to replace my old shoes. I need to replace my old shoes. Respond. To answer or react to something. She didn't respond to my message. She didn't respond to my message. Survive. To continue to live or exist despite danger or difficulty. To continue to live or exist despite danger or difficulty. Many animals cannot survive without water. Many animals cannot survive without water. Threaten. To say that you may hurt someone or cause problems. To say that you may hurt someone or cause problems. The storm threatened to destroy the crops. The storm threatened to destroy the crops. Explore. To travel around a place to learn more about it. To travel around a place to learn more about it. They explored the old village. They explored the old village. Prevent. To stop something from happening. To stop something from happening. Wearing a seatbelt can prevent serious injuries. Wearing a seatbelt can prevent serious injuries. Recommend. To suggest something as a good choice. To suggest something as a good choice. I recommend this book to English learners. I recommend this book to English learners. Attempt. To try to do something, especially something difficult. To try to do something, especially something difficult. He attempted to climb the mountain. He attempted to climb the mountain. Behave. To act in a particular way. To act in a particular way. The children behaved very well at school. The children behaved very well at school. Confuse. To make someone unable to understand something clearly. To make someone unable to understand something clearly. The instructions confused me. The instructions confused me. Determine. To discover or decide something after thinking carefully. To discover or decide something after thinking carefully. We need to determine the cause of the problem. We need to determine the cause of the problem.